Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how I animated taking a bite out of ice cream. So it's basically have your ice cream here and then and then when she bites it here, piece is gone and then the piece stays gone throughout the whole time. So to do that, I'm going to duplicate this ice cream, put it here, and I'll show you how to make this bite mark using this. So it's basically a boolean with another object. So let's add in another sphere, scale it down, and move it near our ice cream. And make sure have it touch ice cream. Some point like here is good. Get it smaller. Alright, like this is good. Alright, so let's shade smooth it. I click shade smooth, and we're going to add in a boolean modifier to the ice cream. Go to modifiers tab, delete this since it's copied over from the other one. Make a new one, a boolean, and move it at top so that mess up with the shading. We're going to set it to difference, leave it as object, use the object as the sphere. And then for some reason the stick disappears, so to solve that, still hover as fast. So now whenever the sphere is, wherever the part that's going to get cut out from. So if I hide the sphere, you can see that it is cut out, or whatever the shape the sphere is. Here. Alright, so if you just move this up here, then that's how you get your bite mark. And to set it permanently, you just have to apply it from here. Apply. But I'm not going to do that. The other thing I want to show you is that right now this is too straight. Not really look like a bite mark. To make it look a more realistic bite mark, you click your sphere and go to modifiers, the sphere, and click display space modifier and add in a new texture. Go to your texture properties and change the type to clouds. And we're going to increase the size to soften it, more smooth. 0.5, good. And now if you put your sphere, looks more like a bite now. Nice straight line. Here, yeah, or you can just rotate it how you want to. This. Okay. If you apply this here, get out of the way. Now it's there forever. Let's do this. So now I'm gonna show you how to animate the bite. So at first the actually doesn't have the bite mark on it. So in order to do this, we're gonna have to add a object constraint to the sphere. Go to your object constraint properties. And you're going to add in a child of. Set the target ice cream. What this does is wherever the ice cream moves is wherever the sphere is going to move. It's going to copy out the rotation and the scale. So if I use for the timeline, sphere is going to move wherever the ice cream is. So at the start, I want the ice cream to be here. So we're going to keyframe the sphere. So you can press I and keyframe the location to be here. And then you're going to go to the part where you're going to take a byte. It's frame 49. And this is where you're going to move it. Where the point mark is there, and you click I, station in. And it's going to follow throughout the rest of the animation. Here it's outside, it's on the side where it's not being applied. And here is when it is being applied. The other thing you want to do is you want to select all these keyframes and change the interpolation to constant. That way, you're not going to slowly go near the obstacle until this frame. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And then if you hide the sphere, it looks like this. I play for the animation. Right, then here's, there you have it. So hope this was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.